Hi, my name's Gary Morris. I'm an AST at William Parker School in Hastings. This is my lesson. It's called Team Challenge. Morning, boys. Today we're going to do a team challenge and we're going to be looking at our module of work on statistical diagrams. The lesson will be basically in 3 stages. The first stage will be me reminding them of the format of the team challenge, but during that stage I'll also ask some key probing questions which will test their knowledge and remind them of some of the work that we have covered. Okay, Glenn, what do we call that diagram?
Stem and leaf diagram.
Okay, do you know why it's called a stem and leaf diagram?
No.
Right, can anyone help Glenn?
Is it the stem on the left and the leaves are across the right?
Yeah, the stem is on the left and these are the leaves. Okay lads, for the next phase you've got 40 minutes to answer these questions. I will only be taking answers in from questions 1 and 2 in the first 10 minutes of that time. So let's get cracking on this. I use my team challenge activity as a means of assessing understanding of a module of work. Today's session is on data handling, but it works just as well for algebra, shape and space, or number, or a mixture of questions.
30 to 40.
We are a sports college, and I've really tapped into the competitive nature of the sports college, and that's one of the reasons why the boys have been up for this particular activity.
So it would be over 180. Okay.
My main role in the activity, once I've got it up and running, is to actually mark the students' work, to mark the questions. I do so in a way that doesn't give them too much guidance. I want to let them know what they've got right, but I won't let them know why they've gone wrong. That's for them to sort out for themselves as part of the team. Not bad, Michael. You've only dropped 1 mark. I'm sure you'll figure out what it is. The main role of the support member of staff is to make sure that the mechanics of the lesson run smoothly. The support member of staff will also be asking the key probing questions. This is to enable the students to think in the right direction without leading them too much.
Are you plotting your frequency or your cumulative frequency?
Cumulative frequency.
How did you get your cumulative frequency values?
Continue adding them on together.
Excellent, so well done.
Okay, don't forget Team D, you've got 3 marks on question 4 out of 11. Quite a bit to work to do there. As part of the activity, I use an Excel spreadsheet. When I've marked a question, I record it on the spreadsheet, and this enables the teams to see where they are and to see how the other teams are doing. This provides great motivation for the activity. Well done, Team C. Question 4. It's almost word for word the same as my solution. That's a tricky question to get full marks on. Well done, lads.
580. Yeah, is that right?
This is one of the key activities that we've brought in the last 18 months, and as a result of these activities, our results have jumped from 36% A star to C in mathematics to 60%, and we're hopeful this year's results will be even higher. The advantage for the students is that they get to practice key questions a number of times in the run-up to the exam, and that's what they appreciate. Right, we're in the last minute now, lads. Your last question should be coming in. Well done, lads. Thank you very much. I want to look at a couple of questions before Miss puts the final marks in to see what the overall result is. The plenary is where we go over some of the harder questions that they've experienced, and I can actually show them perhaps what they should have done given more time. Oh, Michael's team scored a fantastic 7 on the last question, which makes Michael's team the winners. I love this lesson. What I really enjoy about it is that my students work as a team, collaboratively, and they talk mathematics throughout. You can't ask for more than that from a maths lesson.